This web application is probably one of the fine example of bubble development. It is a learning program marketplace for a university, and it is multilingual. One of the best thing that ever happened with this one was it came with a very clear Figma design, and you can see it was this was already designed. Now I'm not going to take full credit for it. Originally, I was able to help with the UX design. This design, like I said, it came in a Figma design, completely done. All the pages were done, including the mobile, and I was able to make one single page with mobile responsive. Kudos to Bubble. This is probably the finest example of Bubble web application. So you can drill into it. It gives you the full search here. You can subscribe to it. Now I do remember that this database is coming straight from Designer and not Bubble, but that's probably overkill. But however, the database probably existed, and university wanted to put something on top of it as a UI. So go through it. This is, I think, very nicely done. Now, this came to this stage after a year or so.